If you're applying to second-chance employers in Kansas City and still not getting hired, this might be why. Most people misunderstand what second-chance hiring actually means. And make sure you stay until the end, because the biggest mistake people make with second-chance jobs isn't the record, it's what they do next. Let's clear it up. A second-chance employer is not a guarantee, it's a possibility. And understanding that difference changes how you apply, where you focus, and how you talk about your record. Today, we're walking through Kansas City area employers, programs, and job pathways that are commonly associated with second-chance hiring, and what that actually looks like in practice. You'll find supporting resources linked in the description. Before we get into the list, one clarification. Second-chance employer does not mean automatic hiring, skipping background checks, or the same outcome for everyone. It usually means applications reviewed case by case, criminal history considered later in the process, decisions based on the role, timing, and individual circumstances. This video is about realistic pathways, not false promises. Kansas City is unique because it sits across 2 states. That means 2 sets of rules and 2 sets of tools. On the Missouri side, ban-the-box policies apply to many public employers, delaying criminal history questions. Missouri also expanded its expungement laws in recent years. Depending on the offense and how much time has passed, you may be eligible to petition for expungement of certain felonies and misdemeanors. On the Kansas side, public sector hiring also tends to delay background discussions until later in the process. Kansas has its own expungement process for certain offenses after waiting periods are met. Neither side guarantees a job, but knowing which state you're applying in changes your approach. Kansas City also relies heavily on workforce systems and reentry partners on both sides of the state line. These are tools, not shortcuts, but they matter. Here's the part most people don't realize. Many employers don't reject people because of their record. They reject applications because the strategy is unfocused. Applying everywhere without a plan wastes time and drains confidence. Second-chance hiring works best when it's intentional, not desperate. So what does intentional actually mean? It means knowing which roles you're targeting, having your documents ready, and understanding how referrals actually work. Workforce partners don't hand out jobs. They evaluate readiness, consistency, and follow-through, then connect people to employers they already trust. And case by case from the employer's side? That means someone's reading your application and weighing the role, the offense, and how long ago it happened. Give them something to work with. Preparation beats volume every time. And as we go through these pathways, pay attention, because the most overlooked option in Kansas City is closer than most people expect. Let's start with the pathway most people don't expect to hear first, and the one that's often misunderstood. Number 1. Kansas City works with workforce and reentry partners on employment pathways connected to facilities and grounds maintenance, sanitation, and public works, operations and support roles. These opportunities usually involve structured hiring processes, role-specific screening, coordination through workforce partners. Public sector pathways are often overlooked, which is exactly why they surprise people. Number 2. Kansas City has a strong network of workforce and reentry organizations that act as bridges to employment. These groups focus on job readiness, transitional work, employer referrals. They don't guarantee jobs, but they significantly reduce wasted effort. Number 3. Kansas City is one of the largest logistics hubs in the country. With major highways, rail lines, and distribution centers converging here, warehouse and fulfillment work is constant. The city sits at the crossroads of I-70, I-35, and I-29, and it's the second largest rail hub in the U.S. That means freight, fulfillment, and distribution jobs year-round. These roles are frequently referenced because hiring cycles repeat, demand fluctuates seasonally, attendance and reliability matter more than background in many cases. Policies vary by employer and role, but logistics remains a common entry pathway for rebuilding work history. If you've been applying and hearing nothing back, That doesn't mean you're unemployable. Most of the time, it means the system is inefficient, and you haven't been given clear guidance on where to focus. That's a systems issue, not a personal failure. Number 4. Manufacturing and light production roles across Kansas City often include assembly, packaging, machine support, warehouse-adjacent production. Hiring varies by employer, but workforce partners often point to manufacturing as a steady pathway for rebuilding income and consistency. Number 5. Kansas City has a significant food production and processing presence. These roles often include production line work, packaging, quality support, cold storage, and distribution. These jobs offer structured schedules, steady hours, clear expectations. For many people, this becomes a reliable reentry pathway. Number 6. Kansas City has a strong healthcare presence, with major systems like HCA Midwest Health, University of Kansas Health System, and St. Luke's. That creates opportunity in support roles like environmental services, food service, patient transport, facilities support, laundry, and materials handling. Many of these roles are filled through contractors and staffing agencies rather than direct hires, but they provide structure, steady hours, and work history. And for some people, they become a pathway into healthcare employment over time. Number 7. Construction and trade support roles across Kansas City often include general labor, site cleanup, material handling, trade assistance. Hiring varies by contractor, but these roles are commonly referenced as re-entry-friendly starting points. Number 8. Restaurants, hotels, and food service operations throughout Kansas City. Hire locally, train on the job, prioritize dependability. Many individuals with records find early employment here, especially with independently managed locations. Number 9. Property management and facilities roles often include maintenance, groundskeeping, janitorial work. These roles are typically filled locally and reviewed individually, making them a common re-entry pathway. Number 10. Here's one most people don't think about. Kansas City has a significant automotive manufacturing presence, with major assembly plants in the metro area. That creates support roles beyond the assembly line: parts handling and logistics, supplier and warehouse work, fleet and transportation support, facilities, and grounds maintenance. Hiring varies by contractor and facility, but these roles offer structure, steady hours, and potential for skill building. This is exactly why staying until the end matters. Most people never hear about pathways like this. Second chance hiring is rarely about one employer saying yes. It's about preparation, timing, support, applying strategically. A list alone doesn't create outcomes, but it helps people focus their energy where it actually matters. Felon-friendly jobs now exists to organize this information clearly, so people with records don't waste time applying blindly. We focus on clarity, not hype. If you're looking for Kansas City-specific job pathways, preparation guidance, and second chance resources, the link is in the description. Before I close, here's what you can do tomorrow. No money, no special access required. First, identify one workforce partner in Kansas City to contact: Full Employment Council, Missouri Job Centers, or Kansas Works. Just one. Make the call. Second, write out your work history timeline, even if there are gaps, especially if there are gaps. Know your story before someone asks. Third, research one employer or contractor before you apply, not 10. 1. Know what they do, what the role involves, and why you're a fit. Small steps. Focused energy. That's how this works. Earlier, I mentioned the biggest mistake people make after learning about second chance jobs. It's not the record. It's applying without a strategy and burning out before opportunity has time to work. Second chance hiring isn't about guarantees. It's about access to opportunity and knowing how to approach it. If this video helped you focus your energy more clearly, share it with someone looking for work in Kansas City. Clear information leads to better outcomes.